Ramu. Who says I am poor? I am richer than you. You spent what uncle gave you yesterday on that new scarf. Now is the time for you to prepare the interview tomorrow. Remember, you are in the race. There are only 5 seats left in class 6. 20 boys are competing. So know what your chances are. 100% Akka. I shall get the admission. I'll do well. Not if you yawn and look bleary eyes. Go and look at yourself in the mirror. You look a wreck. What else can I be? A brother of a wreck can only be a wreck. Come on, you can play with words. And you can only play with dolls. I can play tabla on your back. And I on your cheeks. Right. I will. If you ever play tabla on my back, I will, but not now. Tomorrow you have to attend an interview. You can't turn up before the headmasters and the teachers with a swollen back. Akka, I'm sure to get the admission. Hey, which one are you living in? You think admission letter drops into one slap? On its own. Forget it. You must know the answers to the questions. Remember of nobody ever knows the answers. Tell that to the board. That's the trouble. If I only know the answers, the members of the board will ask, come on. Poor Ramu. I'm not poor. He reaches her plaited hair. After the fight between Ramu and Akka, we see the scene of the school. Ramu comes to the school. Sir, Papa too has been transferred. You said it, Papas are transferred and we face admission tests. Lucky those who are Papas are never transferred. If wishes were horses. You are calling me a fool? That we all are. Take for instance this experience. Does anyone know the answers to the all questions? One can do that. All of us are fools. Fools is a majority. The board will be held to less foolish. Come with me, Arun, over to the boardroom. There goes the first lamb of slaughter. 19 more to go. How sharp will the knife be when one of us walks into the presence of the selectors? I prefer a sharp knife for a dull one. It is better to be cut down in one stroke to receive several times. Ramu is the last candidate. Clerk, call him. Come with me, Ramu, over to the boardroom. May I come in, sir? Come in. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Ramu. Take your seat. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Ramu. Where were you studying earlier? Mother School, Madurai. Like the school? I was happy there. Why then do you seek admission here? My father is a government official. He has transferred to this town, Tiruchi. Which is the best thing in this town? The Uchi Pallayar Koval, the temple of Lord Ganesh atop a hillock. I ran up the steps and have a grand stand view over there. How many steps did you take to reach the top? The same number of steps that I took to come down. When it's come to climbing, do not prefer a flight of steps or a gentle slope. Both have their charm, sir. You will explain that. One can race up a slope, but one needs steps to skip from step to step. Both have their fun. What's your idea of fun? Is it not fun to be offered a seat by you, sir? No. My papa looks upon teachers as grey eminences, but only you, sir, have a crown of grey. But papa cannot be wrong. No, where lies our fun? Sir, may I ask a question, sir? We have Fun asking a little boy all sorts of questions from the answers we just a boy's self-confidence and readiness of mind. Amu, you won't take it to MS? Speak out, boy. Have you judged me, sir? We have, but I still have a question. Tell me, aren't you rather short? Yes, sir, but go on. Once I asked my papa whether I would grow tall. He said chances were that I won't grow taller than 160 centimeter. Nobody in his side is tall of the family is tall. Then he joked. What did he say? He said when he appeared before a selection board, the chairman of the board asked him, "Don't you seem to be short?" Then he said that are my legs are enough to. That is a joke. A fine one. Well, we have had our fun. Thank you, sir. You didn't ask how we have judged you. Sir, you don't have to ask. We will tell you you have made it. Thank you, sir. Go and deposit the fees. Thank you, sir. I hope you all enjoy this act